Researchers at the University of California, San Diego have found that an intensive retreat combining multiple mind-body techniques, including meditation and healing practices, produced rapid and wide-ranging changes in brain function and blood biology. The researchers found that the retreat engaged natural physiological pathways promoting neuroplasticity, metabolism, immunity, and pain relief. The findings, published in Communications Biology, provide insights into how consciousness and psychological practices can enhance physical health. A new study, part of a multi-million-dollar research initiative supported by the Inner Science Research Fund, is the first to comprehensively quantify the biological effects of multiple mind-body techniques administered together over a short period. We've known for years that practices like meditation can influence health, but what's striking is that combining multiple mind-body practices into a single retreat produced changes across so many biological systems that we could measure directly in the brain and blood, said senior study author Himal H. Patel, Ph.D. This isn't about just stress relief or relaxation. This is about fundamentally changing how the brain engages with reality and quantifying these changes biologically.
A comparative note about Art of Living Silence retreats. Art of Living Silence retreats combine multiple mind-body practices. Yoga in the morning for enlivening the physical body, the sky breathing technique for emotional release, hollow and empty meditations to balance chakras and the endocrine system, and watching wisdom videos to integrate all of the above experiences into intelligence in the mind-body complex. The retreat combines the above with 48+ hours of silence to reinforce positive behavioral patterns in the psyche. Let us understand now more about the research results.
The researchers observed several major changes after the retreat. Brain network changes. Meditation during the retreat reduced activity in parts of the brain associated with mental chatter, making brain function more efficient overall. Enhanced neuroplasticity. When applied to laboratory-grown neurons, blood plasma from post-retreat participants made brain cells grow longer branches and form new connections. Metabolic shifts. Cells treated with post-retreat plasma showed an increase in glycolytic sugar-burning metabolism, indicating a more flexible and adaptive metabolic state. Natural pain relief. Blood levels of endogenous opioids, the body's natural painkillers, increased after the retreat, indicating that the body's natural pain relief systems were activated. Immune activation. Meditation increased inflammatory and anti-inflammatory immune signals simultaneously, suggesting a complex, adaptive immune response rather than a simple suppression or activation. Gene and molecular signaling changes. Small RNA and gene activity in blood shifted after the retreat, particularly in pathways related to brain function. The study results provide a biological framework for understanding how non-drug mind-body interventions can support health and well-being. By enhancing neuroplasticity and activating the immune system, these practices could help promote mental health, emotional regulation, and stress resilience. Additionally, the activation of endogenous opioid pathways suggests that this combination of mind-body practices may also be useful for chronic pain management.
Join the Art of Living Silence retreat. The retreats generally start on Thursday evening after work. Friday and Saturday sessions start early in the morning around 7 a.m. and extend till 9 p.m. Sunday's session begins at 7 a.m. and ends between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. Experienced trainers will lead you in and out of silence gradually. Come experience the impact of multiple mind-body techniques on your health and sense of well-being. Check out the dates of our upcoming retreats. The Art of Living Foundation offers residential retreats with commute option, and online retreats.